Welcome to Do It Yourself Del, where today we're diving into the thrilling world of James Bond, the suave, sophisticated spy who has captivated audiences for decades. From Ian Fleming's novels to the blockbuster movies, let's explore the legacy of the world's most famous secret agent. James Bond first appeared in Ian Fleming's 1953 novel Casino Royale. Fleming, a former naval intelligence officer, brought authenticity and detail to the character, creating a spy who was both charismatic and complex. Set against the backdrop of the Cold War, Bond's adventures reflected the era's tensions and glamour. In 1962, Bond made his silver screen debut in Dr. No, portrayed by Sean Connery. The film set the template for Bond movies: exotic locations, dangerous villains, sophisticated gadgets, and of course the Bond girls. Over the years, several actors have taken on the role, each bringing their own flair to the iconic character. James Bond has become a cultural icon, influencing everything from fashion to filmmaking. The series has evolved with time, reflecting changing social attitudes and global politics. Yet at its core, the Bond franchise has remained true to Fleming's original vision, a story of intrigue, espionage, and adventure. So what makes James Bond timeless? Is it the thrilling action, the cutting-edge technology, the charismatic portrayal of Bond, or the blend of all these elements? James Bond continues to captivate and entertain, a testament to Fleming's creation and its cinematic adaptations. As the franchise evolves, one thing remains certain: James Bond will return. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of 007. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite Bond moments in the comments below. Until next time, keep the martini shaken, not stirred.